Okay, guys, we're gonna be like make. Let me show you all the ringtones in the Samsung. Okay, so I'm crunching because I'm literally eating something. These are like random ones. Okay, let's start with this. Oh yeah, that's kind of. I forgot. We should rate these things, and you rate it in the comments. This kind of reminds me of those nostalgic phones you see. 6 out of 10. Hold up a second. Hold up a second. It's making a melody. It's this. Wait, it's the song for Samsung. Bro, 7 out of 10. Oh! Bro, that sucks. That sucks. 5 out of 10. Basically. Bro, this is giving me some nightmares, bruh. It's giving me some nightmares. Stop! No! No! No, how do I... Okay, whatever. 0 out of 10. Oh, this is more worse. Negative 1 out of 10. Okay, this is a little bad, but I kind of like when it has a beat. 5 out of 10. Oh wait, that's the new beep ones. They're gonna losing connect. Oh yeah, 9 out of 10. Bro, what is that sound? Bro, what's the sound? I don't know where to put it. 5 out of 10. That gave me nostalgia things. 10 out of 10. Oh, 3 out of 10. It's kind of funny, but I don't know where to put it. 7 out of 10? Hello! La 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 la. It's giving me some, all of them. 10 out of 10. Nah. I'll prefer iconic sounds instead. But for now, oh my gosh. But for now, 3 out of 10. This is reminding me of a Geometry Dash level. This is gonna be a perfect sound. 6 out of 10. That's the original sound of Samsung. But I don't know where to put it. 5 out of 10. It has a reverse one. I like when it reverses. 7 out of 10. The beat, sorry, but no. 4 out of 10. Bow, 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 bow. 5.6 out of 10. Oh, it's giving PTSD. It's giving PTSD. 2 out of 10. It's giving me limit. 5. 6 out of 10. Rolly, boy! Yeah, if you didn't know, I'm rocking right now. 11 out of 10. Okay, let's see. Oh wait, let's hear her. Ah! Oh wait, just sarcastic. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I mean, it's kind of a little sad that the melody makes it sad at all costs. It's giving, I don't know, where to put it. 6 out of 10. Yeah, I guess that it's like a Korean, it's like a K-drama. 6 out of 10. Pick it up. Pick it up. Dude, this is sounding like Among Us. Fight. Did I hear fur corn? False. False. I don't know where to put it. 0 out of 10. Oh, this is more worse. Negative 2 out of 10. Hold up. You have more than iPhone. But since I've copyright, 1 out of 10. What? That makes no sense. That makes no sense. 3 out of 10. I have 4 ringtones left. Okay. I know this. 3 out of 10. Wait, no. 6 out of 10. It's kind of relaxing. Very heartwarming and relaxing. And it's super sad at the same time. It sounds like the revolutionary of Samsung. 7 out of 10. Or should I say 9 out of 10? 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. That's all, guys. Goodbye!